Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the COVID-19 lockdowns, and specifically we're discussing the embassy closures, or I should say the suspension of interviews associated with K-1 fiancé visas, which took effect back in March when COVID-19 first sort of reared its ugly head. And we're sort of still dealing with the aftermath of this, as the embassies most embassies have yet to reopen for standard visa interviews in order to process cases through. So one major issue that's likely to come up as time moves on, and we've yet to see many embassies around the world reopen for interviews for K-1 visas. One thing that may come up is the medical exam may go what I would call stale. So you get a medical exam and you need to get that medical exam in order to go to your interview. At least here at the U.S. Embassy in Thailand, you need to take it to your interview, present it there, and then they close down the embassy for interviews, and you are then left in a position where we've waited, and in this interim period, while the visa unit has been closed down, the medical exam, there's sort of an expiry date. There's an expiration date on these medical exams, and therefore you're looking at a situation where you've already paid for it, you've gone through the motions of getting the medical exam, but it's no longer timely. They want to see a fresh exam at the interview. This could pose major issues, especially with rescheduling an interview if you don't have a new exam. So those out there that had interviews scheduled, they'd already undertaken their medical exam, and now they've been sort of left out in the cold, probably not a terrible idea possibly to contact a legal professional who deals with consular processing frequently in order to try to come to some kind of arrangement with respect to figuring out a way to either get a new exam or have some sort of amended exam done in order to meet the criteria of the interviewing consular officer and the overall visa unit at which one is interviewing, in order to ultimately see their K-1 visa be issued and their foreign fiancé be able to come to the United States.